How to find friend's birthday on Snapchat. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to find friend's birthday on Snapchat. Without further ado, let's get started. Before you head on and open Snapchat app, please visit your app store or your Play Store and check if your Snapchat is up to date. If not, just tap on the update button so that you will have the latest features within the Snapchat app. Once you have made sure that your Snapchat is up to date, let's just head on and open Snapchat over here. And from your camera page or from any other page, just click on this chats icon so that we will be at the chats page. So once you are at the chats page, make sure to open up a conversation that you are comfortable with, because doing this will get your friend notified. So for example, I'm just going to open a conversation with a friend, and note again the friend in the conversation where you access this certain feature will be notified, and they can also see it from the chats. So once you have opened up a conversation, let's just click on this rocket icon at the bottom right hand corner. Click on that and scroll down a bit, and you should see this birthdays mini app. So once you see that, just click on open beside that option, and this page should pop up. So let's just wait for it to load, and immediately you will see an information about the upcoming birthday of your friend. And you can also scroll through and see more friends and their birthdays. And here are my friends with their birthdays under the more birthday section. And you can also click on view all friends and see all your friends with their birthdays. And I'm just going to back to the page, and beside the birthdays tab, you can also click the zodiac signs tab, and your friends will be listed according to different zodiac signs as well as with their birth dates on Snapchat. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.